Hi there, hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson I'm going to teach you how to draw a factor tree. Second one is I'm going to teach you how to express a composite number into a product of prime factors. So let's go straight into it. First one, write the following numbers as a product of its prime factors. Part A. So 15. So we know 15 is a composite number because 15 is 3 times 5. So to express 15 as a product of prime numbers, so step number 1, we draw a factor tree first. So I write here, so 15 is equal to 3 times 5. Then 3 is a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. So therefore we stop there because we can't expand any further. So I just circle it. So that means I'm done with it. So therefore 15 is equal to 3 times 5. So 15, remember, is a composite number. And 3 times 5 is the product of prime numbers. So part B, 24 is a composite number because 24 is equal to 2 times 12 or 4 times 6 or 3 times 8, right? So therefore, to draw a factor tree for this, I go 24 is 2 times 12. Of course, you can write 6 times 4 or 3 times 8. Doesn't really matter. So 2 is a prime number. So I just circle because I cannot expand any further. And 12 is 3 times 4. And of course, again, you can write 2 times 6 if you like, okay? So 3 is a prime number. So I circle it because I know that I can't expand any further. So 4 is 2 times 2. So 2 is a prime number and this 2 as well, of course. So therefore, 24 is equal to this 2. So I normally write the smallest number first and then the larger number, okay? So ascending order if you like. So 2 times this 2 and this 2. And then you times this by 3, of course. So this is prime factors. Of course, 2 times 2 times 2, we can write in a simpler way. So that is equal to 2, 1, 2, 3. So that is 2 to the power of 3. And of course, times this 3. So 24 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 times 3. Next one. So 48. So first of all, we know that 48 is either equal 6 times 8 or 24 times 2. Okay? So I just write 2 times 24. Again, I normally write from lowest to largest number. Okay? So 2 is a prime number. So we cannot expand any further. And 24 is 2 times 12 or can be 4 times 6, whichever way you like. Okay? So in this case, I write 4 times 6. So I don't have to expand more to the left. That's all. No particular reason, okay, other than that. And then 4, I can expand further. So which is 2 times 2. So I finish with this because both of 2 are prime. So this one here, 6 is 2 times 3. And 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime. That's it. I cannot expand any further. So now I just write this out. So 24 is equal to these 2 times these 2 times these 2 and times these 2 and times 3. So therefore is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 to the power of 4 times by 3. So there you go. So 24 is equal to 2 to the power of 4 times 3. Next one, 200. So 200 is equal to 10 times 10 or 5 times 40. Okay? So I just write 200 is equal to 10 times 10. Of course, you can write 2 times 100, nothing wrong with that. So I just break it evenly and just more space to write, that's all. No particular reason, okay? So 10 is 2 times 5. And 10 is again 2 times 5. And this 2 is a prime, 5 is a prime, 2 is a prime, 5 is a prime. So that's it, I'm done. So therefore, 200 is equal to this 2 and this 2, so 2 times 2. And this 5, so make sure we write everything down. So 5. So therefore, 2 times 2 is 2 squared. And then times by 5 squared. So therefore, 200 is 2 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of 2. Or 200 is 2 squared times 5 squared. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. How did you go? So let's go through it together, okay? So first one. So 45, I write here. So 45 is equal to 5 times 9. And 5 is a prime number. 9 is a composite because 9 is 3 times 3. So we can expand further. So which is 3 times 3. And 3 is a prime number. So there you go. We're done with that. So therefore, 45 is equal to, we have 3 and 3. So which is 3 times 3. And then times by 5. This is it. So therefore, now 3 times 3, which is 3 squared, because we have 1, 2, so 3 to the power of 2. And then times by 5. So 45 is 3 squared times 5. Of course, if you can also use calculator to check whether you get it right or wrong. So all I need to do is I type 45, then I press equal. So I press shift fact, which is under the bubble button. So underneath of the square root sign. So press that. So 45 is 3 squared times 5. Second one. So 120. So I just write 120 is equal to 2 times 60 or 10 times 12. So if you do 2 times 60, the number will go further to the left. You might run out of space on your book, so I can write 10 times 12. Okay, so whichever way you like. If you have space, you can do whichever way. Okay, so 10 times 12. But then 10 is 2 times 5. 12 is 2 times 6. And don't forget, 2 is a prime factor. 5, we're done with that. And this 2. 6 is 2 times 3. There you go. 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime number. So therefore, 120 is equal to, so we have these 2, and these 2. So 2 times 2 times 2. And then we have these 3 and a 5. There you go. So which is equal to, so 2, we have 1, 2, 3. So 2 to the power of 3. And then we times by 3 and times by 5. So 120 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 times 3 times 5. So we can check it out by using calculator. Again, so I type 120 first. And then press equal button. Then we press shift. And then we go fact, the bubble button. Okay, shift fact. There you go. 2 cubed times 3 times 5. Second last one, 500. So 500. Now 500 is equal to 5 times 100, right? Or it can be 2 times 250. Or it can be 50 times 10. So I just write 50 times 10. But I write in order, so 10 times 50. Easier, that's all. because when you write the number, we tend to start from left to right. So write the smaller number first, okay? So 10 is 2 times 5. So we finish with that. And then 50 is 5 times 10. So 2 times 25, if you like, okay? Or you can write 5 times 10. And then 5 is a prime number. So 10, I can expand further. So 2 times 5. 2 is a prime, 5 is a prime. There you go. So now I just write this out. So 500 is equal to, so we have 1, 2. So 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3. So which is times by 5, 5, 5. So that is equal to 2, 1, 2. So 2 square. And then 1, 2, 3 times by 5 to the power of 3. There you go. 500 is equal to 2 power 4 times 3 times 5 to the power of 3. So let's check the answer as well on calculator. So we go 500 and then press equal, and then you go shift and then fact. There you go. So 2 squared times 5 to the power of 3, or 5 cubed if you like. Now, last one. So 650, the easiest way is 10 times 65, right? So just write 650 first. So this is 10 times 65. And 10 is 2 times 5. So write 2 times 5. And then 2 is a prime number, so it's 5, right? So I just circle it because I'm done with that. And 65 is 5 times a number. So we go 5. 5 go to 6 is 1. Remember 1. And 5 go to 15 is 3 times. So therefore 65 is 5 times 13. So 5 is a prime, 13 is a prime. So therefore 650 is equal to 2 times 5 times 5 times 13. So this is can be written as 2 times 5 squared times 13. And we can check the answer by using calculator. So we just go 650, and don't forget you need to press the equal button first and shift fact, the bubble button, okay? Just underneath the square root sign or next to the negative sign, okay? Press that. So 2 times 5 squared times 13. There you go. So I hope you got all of them correct. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.